Hello everyone and welcome back to this tutorial. Well done for completing part 1. So now on to part 2. So the first thing to do is you're going to make a magic ring. And if you're still a bit unsure on how to do this, you can watch my tutorial on how to make a magic ring. And what you're going to do is you're going to then do 6 double crochet. That is UK term double crochet. You're going to do 6 double crochet into the magic ring. So you can see here I've got 6 double crochet and I'm just going to pull the wool tight in order to make the circle, and I'm then going to do a slip stitch into the first double crochet in this circle. So that is round 1 complete, and in total we're going to do 4 rounds for this circle, and I've put some instructions up on the screen. So for round 2 you're going to do 2 double crochet into each stitch around the circle, and that will give you 12. Then we're moving on to round 3. You're going to do 2 double crochet into the first stitch and then 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and you're going to repeat this until you get to the end of the circle. And then you're going to do round 4, which is where you're going to do 2 double crochet into the first stitch, then 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, and you're going to repeat this until you get to the end, and that will give you 24 stitches around the circle. Now don't forget, when beginning each round you need to make sure after the slip stitch you then do a chain of 1. So good luck with that, and I will see you for the next step. So here I've just completed my 4 rounds, and that has given me the circle that I need for the stone of the avocado. So you're just going to cut the yarn and set this aside for now. So on to the next step, and this is for the actual coffee cup holder itself. So for this you're going to do a chain of 30. And what we will do with this chain of 30 is we're going to join up the 2 ends with a slip stitch, and this will make a circle. So you can see I've just done my chain of 30, and now I'm just going to do a slip stitch. Now remember, according to the circumference of your coffee cup, you may need to adjust the length of this chain. So it's really just a process of doing the chain and then seeing whether it fits around the coffee cup. So following on from this circle that I've created, I'm now going to do a treble crochet into each stitch. And now that I've completed that, you can see the ring that's created. So now you're basically just going to keep repeating that, and I have done 7 rounds in total, but you can do it until you think it is the desired thickness that you want. And now you can see here, this is the finished result. So I'm just going to cut the yarn, making sure I have a long tail for the sewing later. And then just remember to pull your crochet hook through. And there you go. So now the next step to do is to get your front and back avocado pieces that you made following the first part of this tutorial. as well as the stone piece, and I'm just going to position everything where it should be sewn in place. And then what you can do from this, you can then sew everything together. So I'm just getting the back piece, and the back piece will go sewn on the other side of the cup holder. So you can see now that I've sewn everything together, and there's the back piece, and I also sewed eyes on. And what I did for that, I just made sure that any black thread was sewn over the top with the green thread, just so it didn't spoil the look. And then there you have it. There is the avocado cup holder. So thank you for watching part 2 of this video. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to leave them below in the comments. I'll be making more videos, so please look out for them. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.